In a few minutes, a friend of mine is coming with a big truck and some chunks of wood for firewood. I don't, maybe that was him now. So I am trying to figure out where I want to put them. So, well, my friend who is bringing me the load of wood just called me, and his truck broke down on the way down the mountain. So we're headed to see if we can help him. It's a pretty long trip over a pretty steep mountain with a huge load, so he's pretty lucky. It shut off just like a mile from my house. We both live very close to each other, so it's close to his house too. So we're going over to see if we can help him out at all. It's hard to miss because it's a very large truck. With a big load of wood. Man, there's usually like no traffic on this road. And now today there is. Goes. I didn't get all that because the wind kept knocking my camera over and pieces of wood. So this will last us, probably a month or two. Just burning these. It's all oak and maple railroad tie-ins. So cool. That'll supplement our existing pile, and that stuff's easy to load, and you can fit quite a bit in the stove. It burns pretty hot. Yippee skippy.